Welcome back, everybody. It is absolutely a gorgeous Sunday morning if you look this way. If you look the other way, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it in the mirror or not. We have some storms coming in. I only have an hour and a half today for a ride, so unfortunately I'm going to have to make this a quick ride. So I'm going to head down to the Hocking Hills. It's super close to the house. I'm going to jump on 374. I know I've been on there tons, but you know, it's a nice relaxing ride. Yesterday I was coming back from visiting my mom, my sister, and my nephew, and you know, I started talking about Kenda tires and how I personally don't like them. There's a lot of people that don't like them because of vibration issues, and they've had them replaced under warranty. And I looked down and I noticed that my right front fender, see if I can say that again, the right front fender was sitting there and vibrating back and forth. And I looked at my left fender and it's not vibrating at all. And then I was like, there you go, another example of a junk Kenda tire. You know, so when I got home, instead of just parking the Spyder and walking in and being done, I decided, you know, it'd be smart to take a look at that fender to see if it's a fender issue or a tire issue, or, you know, what was going on with it. And as soon as I grabbed the right fender, I could shake it back and forth. So I knew instantly, you know, it's not a junk Kenda tire issue. It's we have some loose bolt issue. So before I hopped on the Spyder this morning, got in the shed, pulled out a 1/4-inch ratchet and a 1/2-inch and a 13mm socket, and 3 bolts were loose on this one and 1 was loose on that one. So I made a quick little video, not really a how-to, but you know, anytime I come across something on this Spyder, I'm gonna make a video. That way other people that have Spyders, if they go, oh, you know, I have a fender that's vibrating and someone told me that it was just a balance issue. It may not be. It may be the Fender Bracket bolts are just loose. So I'll keep an eye on it. If it backs off one more time, you know, I'll take the bolts out, I'll clean them up, and I'll throw a little Loctite on them. So if we look at this fender, I don't know if we can see that fender or not. I gotta keep my eyes on the road and point the camera down. It's running nice and straight. But if we look at this fender, and I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up and if I'm at the right angle, we can see how that fender is just jiggling and wiggling like my big fat belly. So that's telling me more than likely I have a balance issue with that tire or wheel. And that's what these Kenda tires do. They vibrate, and that's why people get rid of them. They vibrate, they don't last long, and they're not that good of they don't have that good of traction. So hopefully it picked that up. You know, it's kind of hard when the camera's mounted to the front of your helmet to kind of figure out the angle that you need, and with this thing being such a wide lens, you know, hopefully it picked that up. But I mean, that fender just sits there and does this. So what little town is this? I think this is the cute little town I was talking about. Detour ahead. Mount Victory. Oh, now that is a very, very cool truck. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to the world's dirtiest spider. Yesterday I was taking a ride and was talking about these Kenda tires, and I looked over at this Fender, and I'm going down the road, and it's shaking. I'm like, see, these tires are junk. But what it is are this bolt and this bolt are loose. I've never had a Fender bracket work loose, but simple fix. It's a 1/2 inch. Hopefully it's an easy fix. Seems to be pretty tight. There we go. And that has it. So, like I said, I've never had that issue before, but anything I come across, you know, I'll make a quick little video of it. Yeah, you know, that was super simple fix. Just those two bolts, 1/2 inch. I'll check this front one really quick. Yep. That one was super loose too. Huh. It's a little silly, guys. So out of the 8, we had 4 that were loose. So I'm gonna head for a ride this morning, and we have some storms coming in, but as you can see, it is a gorgeous day right now. So I'm gonna hit the road. Talk to you guys later.